Hi everyone, I am Dr.I.JANNATHUL FIRTHOUSE, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, A.D.M. College for Women, Autonomous. Today we are going to see the partial fraction in differential calculus. Some problem, for some examples, let us see some examples in partial fractions. First of all, we have to know the standard results, the basic results of the partial fraction. Now, we are going to see the standard results of y equal to 1 divided by ax plus b. Find yn. Okay. So, y is equal to ax plus b, the whole inverse. The another form of 1 by ax plus b. So, what is the d by dx of x inverse? D by dx of x inverse is minus 1 x power minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 1 power minus 2. That is d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. According to the result, what is this? D by dx of ax plus b whole inverse, that is minus 1 ax plus b whole power minus 1 into minus 1, and the function of x, that is a. So minus 1 into a into ax plus b whole power minus 2. So d by dx of the constant term, that is the b is 0. D by dx of b is 0. So this is y1. So y1 is equal to dy by dx is equal to y dash is equal to f dash of x. All are the first derivative. Now the second derivative, that is again differentiate with respect to x, that is y2. y2, what is minus 1? So minus 2 ax plus b whole power minus 2 minus 1 into a. Okay, the d by dx of b is obviously 0. D by dx of ax is equal to a. So, minus 1, minus 2, a square, ax plus b whole power minus 3. That is y2. So, in similar way, you are differentiating y3, y4, y5, etc. up to yn. So, what is yn? So, minus 1, minus 2, etc. up to minus n. y2 is a square. That is, yn is a power n and ax plus b whole power minus n minus of n plus 1. So, y2 is minus 3. So, yn is n plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So, minus is common in all terms. So, we are getting minus 1 whole power n, 1 into 2 into etc. up to n, a power n ax plus b whole power minus of n plus 1. So, according to this, how can we write? That is, yn is equal to minus 1 whole power n, a power n factorial. So, 1, 2, etc. up to n, what we say? N factorial. For example, 5 factorial, what we say? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. N factorial divided by ax plus b whole power n plus 1. This is the standard results for 1 divided by ax plus b. Basic results. According to this result, we have to solve the sum in partial fraction. So, how many roots are there? How many roots? There are 2 roots. So, 3 divided by x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. How can we write 2 roots? So, 2 constant. A divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by 2x minus 1. So, we are going to cross multiply. Okay. So, a into 2x minus 1 plus b into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. Here, right hand side, x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. So, these 2 terms getting cancelled. So, 3 is equal to a into 2x minus 1 plus b into x plus 1. Equation 1. Okay. Now, we have to find the values of the constant term a and b. How can we find? So, in one term we are putting 0. How can we make 0? Put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. That is 3 equal to a into 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. That is 3 is equal to minus 2 into minus 1 a into. So 2 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus 1 getting cancelled 0. Okay. So 3 equal to a into minus 3. So a equal to 3 by minus 3. That is a is equal to minus 1. Now we will find another constant b. So what we give the constant for x value? X is equal to 1 by 2. So instead of x, we are substituting 1 by 2. 2 getting cancelled. Plus 1 and minus 1 obviously cancelled. We are getting 0. So 3 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. So 3 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 1 plus 2 divided by 2. 3 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 3 by 2. b into 3 by 2. b equal to 3 into 2 by 3. That is 3 getting cancelled. b is equal to 2. So a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 2. Now we are going to substitute. That is a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by 2x minus 1. So what is the value for a? Minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus b 2 divided by 2x minus 1. We are changing for our convenience. That is minus is here. So 2 divided by 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay. So 2 is the constant. So we know the result for 1 by ax plus b is the standard result says minus 1 whole power n, a power n factorial divided by ax plus b whole power n plus 1. So 2 into 1 by 2x minus 1 minus 1 into 1 by x plus 1. So instead of ax plus b, what we are getting? 2x minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 whole power n, a What is A? 2 is the A. So 2 power n factorial. That is 1 factorial divided by 2x minus 1 whole power n plus 1. That is 1 plus 1. Okay, instead of minus 1 whole power n, 1 power n, 1 factorial divided by n plus 1, n plus 1. So this is the result for a by x plus 1 plus b by 2x minus 1. Now we are going to see another one example in partial fractions. In previous example, we see how many roots are there? Only 2 roots. In this example, how many roots are there? Obviously, square 1. How many roots? There are 3 roots in this example. So, how many constant we will substitute for this 3 roots? 3 constant, obviously. That is a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 whole square plus c divided by x plus 2. Okay. Now, x square divided by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. So, what is the LCM? X minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square divided by x minus 1 whole square x plus 2. So, x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 are getting cancelled. So, x square equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. Now, we are going to substitute the value for x. What are the values we are going to substitute? Plus 1 and minus 2. Only 2 values we have to substitute. So, what we can find? The 3 constants a, b and c. So, first of all, we have to substitute x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. That is 1 square a into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 2 plus b into 1 plus 2 plus c into 1 minus 1 whole square. So, 1 square is equal to obviously 1. So, a into 1 minus 1. What is the value? 0. So, 0 into anything? Obviously 0. So, a into 0. B into 1 plus 2 is 3 plus c into 0. Okay. So, 1 equal to 3b. 3b equal to 1b equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now, we are going to substitute x is equal to what value? Obviously minus 2. So, x is equal to minus 2. So, minus 2 squared is equal to a into minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So, minus 2 square obviously 4. So, minus 2 plus 2 is obviously 0. So, a into 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 3 squared. 4 is equal to c into 9. C is equal to 4 divided by 9. Okay. So we found B and C. Now we will find another one constant, that is A. So what we have to find? So the one value is plus 1, the another one value is minus 2. So the two values are finished. So now we are going to compensate, compare the coefficient of x square. So compare the coefficient of x square. That is, the coefficient of x square is 1. 1 is equal to, so we have to multiply for this. A into x is x square minus x plus 2x minus 2, that is x squared is one term. So compare the coefficient of x square, that is the value of A into x square. What is the coefficient of x square? Obviously A. So in this term, we are nothing x square. So we neglect the term, and this is, what is the formula for A minus B the whole square? A minus B the whole square is equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Okay. So A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So what is the coefficient of x squared? Obviously plus C. So 1 is equal to A plus C. So 1 is equal to A plus 4 by 9. Okay. So A plus 4 by 9 is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 minus 4 by 9. A is equal to 9 minus 4 by 9. So obviously 9 minus 4 is 5. That is 5 by 9. So we found A, B and C. So now we are going to substitute the values in A divided by x minus 1 plus B divided by x minus 1 the whole square plus C divided by x plus 2. So now we are going to substitute A divided by, so A divided by x minus 1 plus B divided by x minus 1 the whole square x plus 2. So what is the value for A? 5 by 9 into x minus 1. What is the value for B? 1 by 3. Whole square plus C, 4 by 9 divided by x plus 2. That is 5 by 9 into x minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into x minus 1 whole square plus 4 by 9 into x plus 2. So now we apply the standard result for this answer. Now we have to apply the standard result for each and every term of this partial fraction. So 5 by 9. So what is the standard result? minus 1 whole power n. What is the a? Coefficient of x is a. So what is the coefficient of x? Now 1 is the coefficient of x. So 1 power n factorial divided by x minus 1 whole power n plus 1. Another term. So 1 by 3. So what is the coefficient of x in this term is also 1. So minus 1 whole power n. A is the coefficient of x, that is 1 power n factorial x minus 1 whole power n plus 1. So another term. What is another term? 4 by 9 is the another term. So in this term is also, what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 1. So what is the standard results for this? Minus 1 whole power n, a power n factorial. A is 1 power n factorial, n plus 1. Okay. Now, I hope all you understand this problem for this model partial fraction. We will see the another method and another problem in another video. Thank you.